Hi, I'm Rob Steinke. Welcome to my Harness Makers Workshop. Come on in, and I've got some different things to show you today. Maybe I always say that, but this is the work that I've got, well, for the next 3 or 4 weeks. Very varied. I've got harness to fit the horse, harness to fit the driving vehicle, little saddle there for the pony, and I'm making up a braking roller. So I'm going to turn the camera round now and I'll go through each part step by step, and several of them will have their own videos in the next month. So follow me down and see what I've got. Keep me out of mischief this month, definitely. Okay, and get the fingers working. Now, where do we start? Little pony pad. Ideal for a kiddie because it gives a bit of support in the seat. But unfortunately, one of these, can you see them, the bars? That one's okay. But let's have a look at the other one. I've undone this already because that one, you can see it's snapped off on the metal piece that holds it. So I got a pair of little stirrup bars to go on. I'm putting the two on. I'm not going to mess around doing one, not the other. They will go onto there. I shall get something a hell of a lot stronger than that bit of tin and do a tidy job on it. Cover it with leather at the end, the reinforcing piece, and then that will be screwed back onto there, and you got a super little saddle for a kiddie to ride on. So we pop him over there now. Now, what else? I have got a set of trotting harness on order, and I got some special red paint and tin for it. Don't think you're gonna see how deep it is on this camera because the light's coming in very strong in the window. It isn't like your bright sort of, if I'm allowed to say it, lipstick red. It's got that tinge of maroon in it, just that little bit darker. So these are going to be the kidney beaters, and I've got, I think 7 pairs to make, so there's a good few of these. But before I glue them onto another piece of leather and machine around them, just put a bit of padding in. It'll just give it a nice little bend. You can see the sun's bouncing off this and the light's like mad. And then there'll be an ornament in the middle. So that will be a separate video as well. So we'll pop him over there. Now, I said harness for the driving vehicle. This is, there goes one of the buckles, not to worry. This is a whip holder. No, it doesn't get, that needs stitching, closing there. You have the hole there. You put your driving whip in there on the vehicle. It's closed at the end, and that holds it in position. So with that, I've already stitched this middle piece in, and that is going to have 2 straps. Pull that through. There we are, that's one. Buckle on, that one's on the floor, but I'm not worried. Pick him up in a minute. And then you've got this other one that'll go on. Haven't stitched the buckles on yet. So you'll have 2 straps that will hold them onto the, hold it onto the driving vehicle. And there's the, all this was stitched by hand. And there are the 2 needles on the thread. There we are. Where is it going? There. Okay, so I'm going to finish this off, and I always like to keep one of these or 2 in stock because I do get regularly asked for nice whip holders. And the patent matches show harness, so it's good. Now I've got an order for a break-in roller. It's going to be a really super one, all stitched by hand, good bridal leather. I've cut that out. This will be definitely another video in the next 2 or 3 weeks. That's you can see the width of it's 4 inches across, nice wide one. And onto that there will be these brass buckles. It's going to be a very smart one. See the brass buckles? It's a twin strap, and you've got the rollers, so it's easy when you want to pull the strap up to tighten. So that's on the go, and it's going to have nice pads, and I'm going to flock it with this saddle flock, so it'll be good and something that will really last, this break-in roller. So that's another job. Now I had this week someone came in with a collar, and it was an open top collar. It had a leather piece over the top, and it was just completely square. There we are. That's the one. Nice little emblem there, but really I thought it lacked a bit of design. You know, you've got sharp edges on, and it's a little bit plain. So I designed a better one, and I'm just in the middle of cutting it out. I've just left that bit on because this will be again another video that will be cut out, and then I'm going to put, or offer, should we say, a choice of red. See that fold over the top of the collar, or if you're not into the red and you've got other colours on your harness, I can do it with the yellow. That'll be machined on. And then I'm going to offer 2 widths of straps. That's got to fit the collars. So some of the collars have inch buckles. There will be the inch strap, and others have the smaller 3/4. So I'm going to make this up. I'm not going to stitch these points on. That can be depending on what width buckle is on the customer's collar. Now, what do we got? Oh, driving pad. Yeah, I like this, really like this one. It's not often you see these square terrets. I like them. Yes, and it's brown. Now, as you can see, it is in need of a bit of repair, but it's a beautifully made originally. So I'll do a really good job on it. You point on that side and having a look. Now, can you see how that one's going? So I'll put another point on the other side. It's limited, that life. And as I say, it's a lovely old pad, and unusual. So yeah, that's that job to be done. So all these are really going to keep me busy. Plus, here we come. I'll move those there. Oh. Now, this is a breast collar, and the owner wants a nice padding to go strap on to it. So I'm going to make a very nice strap, good and strong, cover it in leather, and that will keep me busy because this isn't single and it isn't a pair. This is for a set team of 4 ponies. So I've got my work cut out there. It'll keep me going, and that must be for Christmas because he's lending the harness. Father Christmas is coming down, and in case he hasn't got all his reindeer, he'll be driving a team of 4 ponies. Can't disappoint the kids or the adults for that either. Okay, so there we go. That's another job to be done. So all in all, I think that's going to keep me busy for the next sort of 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm going to flip the camera up now. So it's been good showing you all this. So better get going, get out the old fingers working away. So thank you very much for joining me today. Give a look, because there's in a few weeks, as I say, there's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 different videos that I can take out of this work here. It's quite an assorted range this month. So thank you for coming. And remember what I always say, just boom, boom on the subscribe button. If you don't subscribe, then you get advance warning of, I say that again, advance warning. No, you get advance information on the videos that I'm recording. So thank you for being with me. And I see got some new people there as well. So thank you, come back as well. Okay, another time. It's appreciated. Okay, so take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheerio.